Hi, this is Julie from Three Sisters Sundries. Today I have an unboxing for you. I'm going to be doing the December Daily design team project for Lolly Palooza, and she has sent me all the goodies, so we're going to take a look. Some of these I ordered from her shop that she just sent extra so that we can save on shipping. So some of those are those, so I'll kind of set those aside, but the rest will be for the December Daily, and here we go. Oh, I didn't quite get the tape. Oh, goodness, or up there either. Okay, now we can go. All right, these are part of my order, so we'll set those aside. The rest of this is from Photoplay. Oh, that's part of my order also. From Photoplay, they're Not a Creature with Stirring line. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is obviously the 6-inch paper pad. Oh, so cute. We'll go through the other papers with a little more detail so you can see them easier, but this is the 6-inch paper pad. So cute! And she has sent me this cute front door die by Elizabeth Crafts. So I will be using that probably on the front cover. And some white enamel dots. These look like they're matte. Ooh, very pretty. They look kind of like snow. Oh my gosh, look at that cute dot or stamp set. These mice are adorable, and look at that cute gingerbread house. We have gingerbread wishes, kisses, Christmas wishes. Oh, so cute. And then here is the matching die set. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that even the back of that is. That gives you an idea of what you can make with this. Cute little gumdrops. And here's the ephemera set and the paper pad. So let's set this box aside and we'll open up the paper pad. Look at the cute stickers. Okay. And cut apart sheet. These are 3x4 cards. And plain red on the back, and in Photoplay you get 2 sheets of each one. That way you don't have to pick and choose which ones to use. Oh, look at those little mice. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, and that is a cute striped candy cane on the back. Oh, and I love their plaids. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, look at all these cute little gingerbread things. Adorable. And hot chocolate in little Santa mugs. Oh, so cute. And on the back we have a I don't know what they call this, a quad paper. So you get 4 different designs, but I love that there are the numbers. So I will probably be using those as the numbers for the pages in my December Daily. More cut apart sheets. These ones are 4x6. Oh, look at the cute little animals in the forest. And these mice are so adorable. Oh, candy canes. I love the colors of this collection. Kind of different than your basic bright Christmas colors. Another cute plaid and snowflakes. Okay, so that is all the paper, and then here are the stickers. Ugh, so cute. Look at that cute little deer and little mice. Oh, so fun. All right, that is that. Let me just show you one thing I ordered also that I thought I might try and incorporate. I got this Thinlits die that is Tim Holtz, and it has Christmas cookies. So I thought that would be cute to use. Oh, forgot to look through the ephemera. There's a Fa La La in there that won't come out, staticky. Cute little Christmas box. It was the night before Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at those little mice. There's a Christmas checklist. Cute plaid banner. Another cute little mouse. And then they usually have several sheets of punch outs. So on this one we have cute tag with Santa. Happy holidays, no peeking. Oh, look at these little gingerbread cookies. Cute, big 25th, so that would be a good one for that page for Christmas Day. Not a creature was stirring. Those little mice are so cool. Oh, I love that tree too with the lights and the snow. Cute. Santa and Mrs. Santa eating cookies. Oh, so cute. So, like I said, I will be doing the December daily project, so I will leave a link to this kit in Lolly's shop. I will also leave a link to this die set. I'm not quite sure what the setup for the kits will be, but Lolly will send me the info and I will leave links in the description box so you can order ahead of time and follow along if you'd like. It's going to be a really fun project. I'm excited to get started. So anyway, like I said, get your kits ready so you can follow along, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. I have some exciting news. Lolly has decided to give away one set of this front door die by Elizabeth Craft Design. It makes this really cute door that I am going to use in my December daily project. If you would like to win, to enter, you need to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment on this video below, and the details will be given later. So keep following, and I wish you all good luck.